Top Companies for Executive Women Celebration. Let me hear a big cheer. Top Companies 2012.
Thank you all for being here. Welcome to what is really our favorite day of the year, because we come here in order to celebrate you. Your successes for women really matter. It is now our very great pleasure to welcome to the stage our 2012 NAFE Top Companies for Executive Women winners.
Our next award goes to MassMutual Financial Group. Accepting is Elaine Sarsynski. Elaine sees that businesses owned by women employ 35% more people than all the Fortune 500 companies combined. While the ranks of female CEOs and board members are not yet where they need to be, the momentum is there and I believe unstoppable.
That particularly at MassMutual, where I work, we have an environment that really embraces diversity and inclusion for women, as well as all diverse candidates in the company, and it starts at the top. So I think that having a board of directors and a chairman and CEO that really understand that a diverse workforce, and one that includes women throughout the organization, is going to be a workforce that really can produce better products, better customer service, and really help the company propel itself into the next 100 years. So I think the success really for me is because of the environment in which I work, and the fact that it's very supportive and encourages the success of women. Most of our advancement programs really are being spearheaded by, again, leaders and managers in the company through the work of our diversity inclusion team. And I love that because we have both structure as well as informal programs, and I think that's important. So programs like networking, women achievement networking programs we have. Also, we have a variety of engagement programs through workshops and diversity training through workshops for the entire organization. So there's just lots of things, both on an informal basis and also formal basis in the company. I think the ones that I enjoy the most are the programs around mentoring and sponsorship, which are so important to really everyone in the organization, whether you're a Gen Y or a Gen X or female. So embracing the programming and then using that to help you continue to enrich your careers and build your successes along the way. It's very key. Well, gosh, I've had sponsors over the decades from really the earliest parts of my career, and I think that sponsors and mentors are really important. Mentors provide guidance and support. Sponsors really provide you with opportunities, and they look to promote you and help you get promoted within your industry or certainly at your company. And so their key differences, both are very important. The way I would encourage women to find sponsors is to find your voice and get out there and look for opportunities to speak with people, and not just anybody. You want to try to identify, in my opinion, those gaps that you may still have in your repertoire, and you want to fill those gaps. So let's say, for example, that you need a little bit more support in understanding the income statement at the company. Find someone, maybe the treasurer or the CFO of the company can become a sponsor and mentor to you so that you learn along the way, and ask questions, because questions lead to competence, and that competence is what's going to lead to your next step in your career. Having a P&L is a great responsibility, a great challenge, but it is really tremendous, tremendous fun, and I enjoy getting up every day managing my organizations that I'm responsible for. And I think it's important because it's where the rubber hits the road for women. And if you can run a successful division or organization that is responsible for earnings for our shareholders, or in our case at MassMutual, our policyholders, that's really key, because that's going to get you to the next step. And if you do aspire to be a CEO or in the C-suite, having P&L experience is critical. I also think that running an organization gives you the chance to see how all the levers work within a company. So you're not just thinking about human resources or operations, you're also thinking about strategy, product development, engaging your employees so that they can be the best that they can be. And it all gets down to the customer and ensuring that the customers that you serve are going to be delighted with your products, with your solutions, and really stay very loyal to your brand. And that's going to help you achieve success not only in your career, but really importantly for the organization.